YouTube, what is good? So I am actually in London right now, and I just thought I'm going to strap you to my hat, just go around and just see if I can get some photos, because it's actually raining right now and this is actually my favourite time to go shoot. So I'm going to strap you to the hat and we'll get going. So today I'm going to be using my Sony A7riii with the Sigma 35mm on, and it's an f1.8. If it gets any more rainy, I'm going to have to put it in a little bag. I really like that. I like how that curves around. I really want to get a swiping shot as well, so that's what I'm going to try and do now with a bus, I think. Or a taxi. That worked. I am going to get a bus though. I was just walking off and I've seen another bus. So here we go. That looks nice though. Take a walk down here. That's just London, isn't it? Here comes another bus. So a really weird thing just happened, and I have googled it and I don't really know. When I was using my 35mm from Samyang, it wasn't letting me change my aperture at all. It was going up slowly on its own, and I couldn't move it down. I've changed to my Zeiss, and I can change my aperture now, but it was really weird, and I had no idea why that was happening. So yep, so I'm just going to be using this from now on. I think what I might do is I might actually get on a bike and just go more that way towards the Thames as well. Yeah, why not? Do a wide one here.